God. What are these weird noises? Yeah, we still want to know what they are, and why do you do that?
She said, "Why do you do that, Queen?"
Shit. I'm just curious. Why in the fuck?
Because her stomach is probably pushing on her fucking esophagus.
She's like,
I've never like that.
like what the fuck, bro?
They
Damn.
don't teach that breathing in nursing school. I don't even know.
That's so fucking perfect. That sounds just like it.
Fucking wheezing up my dog. Look at Duke come over here like, what's wrong, mom? Boy, it's okay, buddy. I was just trying to show it. I was just trying to be a snoozy pin, buddy.
Imagine